I'm excited to announce that Christians United for Israel has launched a new outreach to African American churches. America's black churches are a vital and vibrant part of America's spiritual life. We know that if Christians United for Israel is to succeed, we need your energy, your enthusiasm, your dedication to reach America. I am thrilled that our North Carolina State Director, Pastor Michael A. Stevens, has accepted the mission of leading Christians United for Israel's African American outreach. Pastor Stevens is an up-and-coming leader in America's black community. When I traveled with him to Israel this past March, I got to see his love of Israel personally. Pastor Stevens brings impressive credentials to this new challenge. He founded the University City Church of God in Christ. Beginning with only a handful of members, this ministry has surpassed 1,500 members in just a short time. Pastor Stevens is a graduate of North Carolina A&T State University. Additionally, he has received a Master's of Practical Theology from Oral Roberts University and is currently pursuing his doctorate at Regent University. Pastor Stevens serves on the executive boards of both the General Council of Pastors and Elders and the National Church Growth Conference of the Church of God in Christ. CUFI's African American outreach is one of my top priorities for the year 2010. Please welcome Pastor Stevens into your church and community. He has my full support. And all of you have my warmest welcome into the Christians United for Israel family. Israel is facing the greatest challenge to her survival since statehood. As Christians, we have a Bible mandate to speak up and stand up for Israel. I pray that you will join us in this important work.